Productive summer days on the farm are absolutely ideal to us. And as teenage farmers, we have to make it a priority to wake up at 7 a.m. every day and then head off to bed at 10 p.m. just so we can get well rested. Now, this is a family-run farm, and we do have to pitch in just to keep everything running smoothly. And that is why today we have been given the chance to take you along with us through a whole day on the farm. So please come join us for a day in our life as two sisters living on a farmstead during summertime. Good morning. It is currently 7 o'clock right now. I'm here with Mr. Lewis, my guinea pig. We all just woke up. The farm is getting up. I'm gonna make my bed and then I gotta go out and start morning chores, and we gotta get the cart ready to go milk cows because that is the first thing we do in the morning. Also, today is a school day, so I'm excited to take you guys along with me as we go to school. We do school in a little schoolhouse at the shop with a private teacher that we hire, and she is absolutely wonderful. So let's get this day started. Right now I am grabbing feed buckets to bring to the garage for my mom because she's gonna get that ready, and then I'm gonna get the cart ready. We've got little chicks right here I want to show you guys. Oh my goodness, hi! Yeah, so we bought some more hens and more roosters as laying chickens. Hello. Hi. Very sweet. After we just did all those meat chickens, this just feels weird. Yesterday, the heat index was 108, so yeah. I know it's gonna rain at 4 o'clock today, which is odd, but that's what the weather's looking like. We're constantly checking the weather, so. Good to go. So, since we have school today, I don't have time to feed my pigs, my horses, my rabbits this morning. So, instead, what we do is we get everyone's water done, all the little animals, and then when we come back from school, we feed everybody. So, that's what we do. That's our plan. My little sister Zoe, she is doing all pig waters this morning. She does them every day. She's been doing pig waters for a couple weeks now. Oh, it's gonna get hot out here, so you're gonna have to put your hair up. Girly. Good morning. Big pigs. You miss. Say Barbie was let out yesterday and she's been out all night playing around. So she's free ranging. Also, you guys, I have a little surprise. Miss Barbie here is actually pregnant with piglets. So that is very exciting. She is gonna have her piglets the 1st of October, I believe. So, yeah. You have babies? Yeah. You got babies in there? Good morning. Good morning, Daddy. He has not been coming in the house because, he gets all muddy when he's out, so he's had to stay up, which I'm not a big fan of, but when fall comes, he's gonna have a lot more time to be out, so. Okay, y'all, so it is 8:55 at the moment, and I am in a house right now. Devin is outside milking the cows, and I'm gonna show y'all what I do in the mornings in the house, and yeah.
Laundry is so fun. Let me tell ya.
Good morning, girls. Hi. Yes, he cannot be out with the horses yet. That's also a work in progress. The barn is open. We are going to start setting up, getting calves fed, and we're going to bring cows in and start. I am not even kidding. I'm already starting to sweat, and we have all the fans on in here.
Okay, so I'm going to the clothesline, which is right behind me, and we are going to go hang all the towels on the line.
Hi, Mama. You little girl, you is a bad girl. Alright, and Sam is doing the chickens. You want to say hi? You can wave, Sam. There you go. Good morning, chickens! Alright, we got our electrolytes this morning. We're going to put it in Gloria's feed right now. Now, the electrolyte is very important in the summertime. We give it to the horses, the cows, almost everybody, because it helps everyone stay hydrated. Do not, oh, you rats. Stop spilling your food. All right, come on. Let's go, girls. Come on. Come on, JB. We're actually going to bring him in the barn because he's been getting more food than Gloria, so we have to separate them so she won't eat his food. Look at the girls. Everybody's in. Go in. Good job. hot outside. My goodness. Okay. Milking is done. Calves are fed. Cows got their electrolyte. My mom actually is going to fill troughs and clean the barn, and I'm gonna go filter. So.
Well, 5 minutes, Chris. Tree work.
Almost done filtering. I'm on my second bucket. Look who is sleeping behind me. So cute. It is now 10 o'clock. It's 10:01, and we have to leave to school at 11 o'clock. So, I am done filtering milk. Maddie is going to do the cart real quick, and then we're going to get ready for school. So we only have about 10 minutes, so we've got to rush. We're getting serious here. Alright, we got Maddie and Sam in the back, and we got like a busload of kids up here. But anyway, I'm driving, so let's head to school. They're working on the field. That's nice. Very nice. Okay.
11 o'clock.
That's me when I tell you. And welcome to our schoolhouse. Obviously, we are homeschooled, and like we said, a private teacher does come in and teach us. So let's get this school day started. Okay.
I'm trying to do my quickest day of school ever. Right?
Okay, school was cut short due to no Wi-Fi, so we have to reschedule for Wednesday. So
Thursday.
we're just gonna finish eating our lunch, and then we're gonna head back to the farm. How do you feel about that?
What is this?
Maddie's.
Are you kidding me?
So in school, we're growing tomato plants, and we have roots coming out, as you guys can see.
Here, show Maddie.
And Maddie's is winning so far
Maddie's is winning.
in the growing process.
I'm rooting.
Anyway, we were gonna do more for school, but that is where we're at in the day. We're going back to the house. Alright, I have got animals to go feed, so I'm gonna change into my farm clothes and we're gonna go get started. Okay, we are in the garage. I'm gonna start getting pig food and horse feed ready. Some of our horses get oats, and then Pippin is the only horse that gets senior feed since she is a senior. So. Next we have our minerals. I'm gonna put 1 scoop in each. And then I put some Osteomax in matrices just because of her stifle issues. It does help. Next we have our electrolyte. Like I said, all of our animals get electrolyte during summertime, so that's what I'm gonna do. They each get 2 scoops. Okay, we're good to go. I'm gonna mix and then I'm gonna go get some hot water for Pippin's food to soak it.
So I am going to go put hay out. Devin is feeding her animals at the moment. So we are going to go put hay out for the cows and the cats. Now you can see it. Berkey's. Alright, go, go, go. We're in the shade probably. Just make up your mind. Damn. Like over here. She's getting it. Chop it up! Chop liver! And there's JB. We're all suffering through the heat. There's Angel Bell. Angel Bell! We don't say what it is. Yeah, we just do it. Yeah. What? Oh, we go. I didn't say that! No, I never said that. We just do it. I can do this. What? What is this? Oh, no, no. Lights. 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 I'm gonna miss it.
We also got fly spray, just in case, and then I'm gonna go run to the tack room and see if they need fly masks. If not, since it's really hot out today, we'll see. Might have to fill that one. Well, it looks like they're making progress out in that field. Another big thanks to our neighbors for doing that for us. I do want to clarify, Pippin, she does have asthma, and she gets asthma attacks in the summertime. Now, she hasn't had one this year yet, so I'm very grateful, but since it's so hot out, I have been sticking her in a stall in the barn with Shorty. So, if I see her breathing weird or anything, I am going to stick her in the stall. But for now, she seems to be doing just fine. Also, I do not see any flies. Thank God. I think it's way too hot out for flies. So, no fly spray today. Okay. All fed. I am hearing thunder, and those clouds look not as friendly as they did an hour ago. I think we're gonna get rain very soon, sooner than 4 o'clock. Come on, buddy. Okay, now real quick, I wanted to show you guys, since it's been so hot out, we have been putting these fans out just for the rabbits that live under this hutch right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set them up, I'm going to turn them on so that they have a little bit of airflow going in there and they're not overheating. So let's do that. I try to like stick them in their thing, but sometimes it works out, sometimes it doesn't. We're going to see. Also, I did want to do a little quick update on our fig trees. As you guys can see, there are absolutely dozens of figs growing. Now, they haven't turned purple yet, so they are not ready. Sometimes I feel like they're not growing, but they are. It's just been a slow process. not sure when it's gonna rain, but before it rains, I have to go mow the lawn, and we have more than one lawn. So I gotta quickly go to the shop. I gotta grab the mower. We're gonna mow before this rain comes in, and we are gonna go from there. We got all this mowed. Now I just gotta go down this line right here all the way to that back of the shop. And then we're gonna start at the front of the property. Thank you. Dad brought me a Gatorade. That was nice. Done with both fence lines. Now I did want to mention the reason we do not mow all of this right here is because that is where we go and we bale square bales. That's our little square bale lot right there. Mowing's all done, everything is done. Let's move on to the rest of our day. Here comes the rain. It hasn't hit right here yet, it's right there. Here it comes. That is a lot of rain. Woo! And they're still out there baling. Oh no. Oh man. Run! I said as much as this feels really good, it's just crazy that all of a sudden we are.
Oh, but it feels so nice just to stand out here in it. After like 100-degree weather,
I know.
it's nice to have rain.
Jeez, it's coming in. We're gonna take a bit of a break now inside, but that rain is coming down really hard.
I think they went through the puddle.
Probably, yeah. We'll keep y'all posted. Oh, here it goes. I am now doing a little bit of cleaning. I'm trying to organize our linen closet right now because it's a little bit a mess. I'm really bad at folding sheets. So. Definitely a lot better. Let's go put milk away. Look at all the eggs they got. Very, very nice. Also, it is 3 o'clock, so the day's moving along pretty fast.
My herd of dinosaurs. All right, it is almost 4 o'clock. We are heading out to the barn. Devin just got done putting away milk inside the house. We have to go let cows out of the barn because it just rained. Obviously, it's not raining anymore. That's where we're at right now. We're gonna go let the cows out of the barn, so. Hey, girls. How we doing? Shorty, you got stuck with a bunch of girls. I'm sorry, baby. You didn't see that.
She says, I don't want to go out. I want to stay in the barn and I want to sleep.
As tall as I am.
I know. Bye-bye, big girl.
Catch! Oh, that was bad. Ah! Oh no, maybe.
What a good girl.
Is he? Daddy, catch him! Catch him! I don't got nothing! Nice! Nice, no. Nice, that big old belly.
We got the little jersey. Oh, Flo. Now we gotta let the prince out. Prince Ali. Go on, Prince. He says, okay, thank you. By the way, you guys, we totally forgot to tell y'all that Formosa, our calf that lived inside that pen, she just got sold today.
Yep.
She is at her new facility. The people who bought her actually do raw milk, so it was really cool. But yeah, she's gone and we only have MJ left and we're gonna sell her very soon, so.
And then the next baby that's coming soon, I'm gonna name again because I'm amazing at naming calves. I name almost all of our calves. Not true, but I'm just gonna put that in there because.
Anyway, everyone's let out. There's a little bit of rain, but we're still gonna go. We're gonna go down to the shop. We're gonna go get all the bales, the square bales that are under the overhang, and we are gonna go move them and stack them in the barn. So yeah, it is now, what time is it?
4:20.
4:20.
Took us 20 minutes.
Okay.
Addie! Ever trip to Kubota? Help me! I'll teach you how, kids!
We have backed the Kubota up to the square bales. These are the ones under the overhang I was talking about that we are going to be loading up. We're going to start.
Me 2 left-hand gloves. They're both left! I have to wear this backwards.
They're both left-handed.
Also, it is 5 o'clock.
Watch out, Bo! Watch out! All right, you guys, we got most of the bales loaded. There's not a lot, okay? It looked like a lot at first, but it's not. We only have one more load, so this will take us 2 trips. That was pretty good. Good stacking, Maddie. Don't pat yourself on the back for it.
Hey, I know those people. I know them.
She'll be coming around them. Shorty! Please don't. Oh. Maddie! Come on, man. Note to self. Wear leggings.
Oh my, you rat!
Get out.
She's like, I was helping. I brought it down for you.
Okay, we got our first load stacked. We're gonna go grab the second load and then be done with that. Okay.
Go.
It's almost 6 o'clock, so that means we gotta start getting ready to milk cows. We're getting close to that time.
Yes.
All right, we are all stacked and ready to go, guys. For winter. Ooh. That'll be gone before winter. It is now 6:30, so we gotta head up to the house and start getting ready to milk. So, let's go. Our dad just brought home subs. You do not know how grateful we were when we walked through that door. How are you feeling right now?
3,400.
Oh. I feel so happy.
So we gotta get ready to milk like fast.
We gotta eat quick. And we are off to the barn. Oh, I'm stuck. There we go. Okay, there we go. Up to the barn. Coming up. Woo. We're a bit late tonight, but that's just because we were doing a bunch of stuff. When you film and you work, it just makes it extra hard, so. Okay, let's start milking these cows. It is now almost 8:30. We've got a long night ahead of us.
Yes,
Thank you, girls. Good night. Let's bring the milk up. It's your ball. You have your ball? Get it. It was hot today, then it was cool, and it rained, and now it's hot again. I'm not a fan of that. Who's there? It is now 9:20. Whew. I am on my last bucket of milk, and then it is time to get washed up for the night and go to bed. So that's where we're at so far. Okay. Okay, so Devin just got done filtering there. And so I'm going to do the cart, and then we're going to head to bed. Come on, bitch. Dolly Parton, you might go 9 to 5. We go 7 to 10 or 11 because we still 7 to 10. We still haven't gotten ready for bed, so by the time we go to bed, it's probably gonna be at least 11:30. Yeah. We got the ending to do. Well, we hope y'all enjoyed this video today. It was very hard for us to make, but also very fun. We hope y'all enjoy it. Yes. It is time for us to go to bed. We are exhausted. Now, if y'all did enjoy this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Yes. And we'll see you in the next one. The next one. Again. Bye, guys. Bye.